In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use indicators on TradingView, a versatile tool that comes in handy for content creators who need to punctuate ideas with an assortment of graphics and icons. Indicators are more than just visual aids. They are critical components in technical analysis and trading. On TradingView, you'll find a massive range, offering both standard and custom indicators tailored to a variety of needs. Accessing the indicator window is pretty straightforward. Simply click on Indicators in the top menu. Once you do that, a new pop-up window will appear on your screen. On the left side of this window, you can see different categories. Let's start with the built-ins. These are your standard indicators, which include popular options like the Bollinger Bands, MACD, RSI, and more. These built-ins are essential tools for traders who rely on established methodologies to analyze market trends. For those of you trading equities, the financial section will provide valuable data on individual companies. Although futures traders may find this section less applicable for their purposes, it's nonetheless a great feature for stock traders looking to delve deep into company-specific data points. Now, let's talk about the Community Scripts category, which features custom indicators developed by the talented TradingView community. Here's a helpful tip. If you're searching for a custom indicator, consider exploring the editor's picks or the top category. These selections ensure that the indicator you are using has a solid history of adoption, is highly rated, and is generally free of bugs. However, if discovery is what you're after, the trending section is ideal for finding new and popular user-developed indicators. Customizing your indicators is as vital as their selection. As you personalize your chart style, you can also adjust the settings for your indicators to better match your analytical approach. This is as easy as right-clicking on a specific indicator and selecting Settings, which is the cog symbol. Each indicator will present different settings, allowing you to tweak them for optimal performance. This flexibility ensures that the indicators you use are aligned with your trading strategies and personal preferences. Furthermore, you aren't limited to using just a single indicator at a time. You can combine several indicators on your chart, providing a more comprehensive data set for you to analyze the market thoroughly. This feature is incredibly useful for traders who rely on multiple sources of information to make informed decisions. That wraps up today's guide on using indicators in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking for advanced tools or a beginner interested in learning the ropes, mastering the use of indicators can significantly enhance your technical analysis and trading skills. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.